This is Dan, the Rock Doctor and Minerals, and we are here with a piece of Shattuckite that's in the saw, 12-inch saw, and we're trying to cut off a couple of slabs with it. And that, do you know where Shattuckite was discovered and what year? Well, let me kind of tell you. It was discovered by a Mr. Schaller in the Schaller Mine in Arizona, and this was associated with turquoise, of course. It is a copper mineral, and that gives it that blue color. So we took out a couple of those slabs that we did, and we are cutting them into some cabochons. And as you can see, I've got two different sizes. Now, what's the reason for the two different sizes? Well, it kind of cracked on me. So there's kind of some fractures there or angling on it. And so it's a little difficult to work with. You may have to do a little bit of stabilization on it in order to keep from some of that chipping and cutting off. But as you can see, it really makes some beautiful, beautiful cabs and that. So you can make some beautiful jewelry with that. So it will sell for anywhere from $2 to $10 a gram, and some nice shows. So if that's something that you're wanting to do, where you want to cut and make some money on your work that you do, hey, have at it and go with it. So we'll be making some jewelry out of some of this stuff, maybe a ring or a pendant. Have you guys ever cut some Shattuckite or Shattuckite? Not Shattuckite, Shattuckite. So get my tongue twisted there. And that, but in the comments, tell me if you've cut any, and what your working ability has been with it. You know, does it flake or not? All right, thanks. Thank you for watching, and give me a thumbs up and comment if you've ever cut or polished any Shattuckite. And that is, like I said, was originated and founded in Arizona in a turquoise mine. So if you have, let me know what I've done on it. It kind of chips and cracks, so you kind of have to be careful, maybe do a little bit of stabilization. A 4 to a 3.5 on the mole scale. So, but it brings out some beautiful stones. So again, thank you for watching The Rock Doctor, Earth's Echoes. You guys keep on rocking, keep on polishing, and thank you again. Bye.